How wonderful it will be if what you read gets permanently inked in your memory without any effort. Recently, I came across one of such questions where the person asked, is there any easy way to remember the 7-step methodology of Aiag Vda Fmea? So I thought about it and made this video to make it possible for you to remember the 7-step in a fun and easy way. And I'm going to do this by sharing a story with you. Once upon a time, there was a boy, Peter, studying in high school, and he had Mr. John as his teacher. One fine day, Mr. John gave an assignment to Peter to complete a review of requirements to complete his project. But Peter refused to complete the project on the same day. But Mr. John insisted, Peter shall fulfill the review of requirements before he leaves for the day. Peter refused, but his teacher kept on saying, Peter shall fulfill the review of requirements. And finally, his teacher had his way. Peter completed the review of requirements. That night, Peter had a dream where Mr. John came into his dream repeating, Peter shall fulfill the review of requirements. And like Peter, I want you to remember these words of Mr. John because they are going to help you to remember the 7 steps of Aiag Vda Fmea. Let's see how. The sentence Peter shall fulfill the review of requirements is a mnemonic which stands for planning and preparation. S stands for structure analysis. FU stands for function analysis. F stands for failure analysis. R stands for risk analysis. O stands for optimization. RE stands for results documentation. So this is the 7th step of Aiag Vda Fmea. Hope this helps you to understand and remember the 7 steps with the help of this mnemonic. Do share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel to get more fun learning videos. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. See ya.